Hey everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to install iPhone keyboard in Note 14 Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, open Play Store and then click on search. After clicking on search here green Apple keyboard, and then first of all install green Apple keyboard. After installing green Apple keyboard, then open it, and then you can see the option switch input methods. Now click on it, and here you can select your keyboard in Gboard and green Apple keyboard, and then click on OK. So this is the way to install iPhone keyboard in Note 14 Pro. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.